Hello, this is Chris Wood, school counselor at Cedar Falls High School. I want to quickly run through for our soon-to-be graduating seniors how to request a transcript to be sent to post-secondary institutions. We will be utilizing Xello, which is formerly known as Career Cruising, to do this. And to start, we need to head to PowerSchool. For those of you that are unaware of how to get that, you can head to the high school webpage, www.cfschools.org. /schools/Cedar Falls Schools. Once you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see the PowerSchool link, which you can click on, and it'll take you to your login. For those of you that have not logged in a while, that login will be the beginning of your email address. And if for some reason you are unaware of what the password is, you can reset that with your school counselor. Once you get logged in, you will see your updated grades and attendance, etc. Along the top dark blue line, you'll see a square with an arrow pop out. You're going to select that, and that's automatically going to log you into your Xello account. So I'll go ahead and click that, and that is going to take me to a page that looks similar to this. This is your home page of Xello. So on here, you'll find some requirements to do for your senior graduation, but for the purpose of this video, we are just going to show you how to send your transcripts. So on the right-hand side, underneath Goals and Plans, you'll see a Transcripts button. You click that, you'll see that I have not sent any transcripts. All I want to do is get started, and it's as easy as searching for the institution that I would like to send my transcript to. So if I would like to send my transcript to the University of Chicago, I can select that institution. As soon as I am ready to send that, I can click Next, and it will update me to say that as soon as I click Send, my mission is accomplished and I've requested to send those transcripts. Now, one of the nice things to be able to do is after you've sent these, you can track your requests to see at what point in the process they are. So if you would like to see if your high school has sent them yet, we'll be able to tell if we've sent them from our office, which usually happens. We usually send out transcripts once a week, so bear with us, especially in the busy time of the school year. But if you have any specific questions about transcripts, you can always pop in to the counseling office and see your counselor or Ms. Havilana, our secretary, and she can answer any of those. Just as a note, the transcripts that are being sent were uploaded at the end of last school year. So those transcripts will have your cumulative GPA through junior year on them. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. Hopefully this was helpful.